Got to try to find the right combination of fuel, throttle, and choke here. And it's going to take a little bit of, you know, I don't know, guessing. Pouring fuel. It's getting fuel. No doubt about that. Give it a little bit of nitrous oxide. Terrible. Don't ever do that to your car, please. It's got throttle. Gav is open. Choke. It's smoking more out of the carburetor than it is the exhaust plug. Oh yeah, rust just poured out of that thing. Look at all this that came out of just the inlet of that muffler. Oh wow. Huh.